Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as for a question that I have received, and it is something that I actually have personally also changed as a default setting. It's about scroll bars when you go into apps. So for example, let's go into the Settings app and I'm going to go to Ease of Access here. Notice I have a nice visible scroll bar on the right side of the screen, which is easy to see and use, even though my trackpad on my keyboard actually has two-finger swipe to move up and down, which I use a lot. And sometimes it's kind of fun to have a little more control by using the scroll bar on the right side. Now, problem is, by default in Windows 10, the scroll bar is not visible, and you'll often be stuck with a very thin line that will actually maximize in size when you go there, but it is annoying that you might be not know where it is actually, because it just hides itself. So if you want to have your scroll bar always visible in Windows 10, once again, all you have to do is go into your settings, go into Ease of Access, and in that display part, if you go down, you have automatically hide scroll bars in Windows. Turn this off, and your scroll bars will all be visible. So you see there's one here that you probably have missed if you have this turned on. But if you have this turned off, you see that there is also a scroll bar here and a scroll bar here. So this is what you want to do, is turn this off to make sure that it shows all the time. It makes it easier to scroll in different apps and in different parts of Windows and settings when you use your PC. So as you've seen, I've turned it off. I always want to have my scroll bars visible. Makes it much easier. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.